In this video, I'm going to tell you about PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? It's order of operations for calculations of expressions. What is PEMDAS? P is parenthesis, E for exponents, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So its short form is of all these is PEMDAS. To calculate the expressions in easy way, we are doing this using this formula. We can remember by please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's the way to remember. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now we will take the example. Let's say 5 plus 8 minus 2. If we calculate it, there are two signs, addition and subtraction. Which one to solve first? If we add this, it is 13 minus 2. Answer comes 11. On other hand, if we solve this 5 plus 6, this answer equal to 11. There is no difference. These signs, plus minus signs and multiplication addition signs, these are solved from left to right. If we take the example of 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 4, and it will become 6 into 4 is equal to 24. On the other way, if we take 18 divided, we multiply this, it becomes 18 divided 1.5. Here is the difference. So there is difference of calculations if we don't follow the rule. So for proper calculations of the expressions, we can follow the rule PEMDAS, that is PEMDAS. Now we take the example. Let's say 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. It will become 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. On the other hand, if we solve this first, 12 multiplied by 3, this becomes 36. So there are some examples where there is no difference in calculation, but there is difference in calculation if we don't follow the rules. So we have to follow the rules to give a correct answer. Now we take the example of 3 plus 4 square. Here 3 plus, what is this 2? This is exponent. 4 square means 4 into 4. That is 3 plus 16. Answer is 19. We can solve this. Here we take the rule. What should be calculated first? Here is exponent and addition. We will calculate exponent first and addition later. So exponent is calculated first and then addition. The answer is 19. Now we take the example of, we can say 150 minus 2, 2 plus 5 square. Here 150 minus 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. We are calculating the parenthesis first and then exponent. So 150 minus 2, now we will solve it. It will become 49. That means 150 minus 98. So the answer becomes 52. We can take another example of it, like 3 square minus 4, 6 plus 1 minus 2. 3 square is exponent, we have to follow the rule. We will solve 3 square 4, parenthesis first, that is 3 square minus 28 minus 2. Now the exponent 9 minus 28 minus 2. Now the addition, it's 9 minus 28